the Supreme Court today appointed a retired judge to monitor stubble burning in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, saying that it was concerned about the health of residents of the national capital amid the rising pollution in Delhi. The Supreme Court saying we're only concerned about the citizens of Delhi NCR being able to breathe in fresh, clean air. Retired Judge Justice Madan B. Lokar will be heading this monitoring team. Let's go across to Arvind for more on this. Arvind, tell us more about what it is that this team is now going to be doing. And once again, the problem of increasing air pollution in Delhi, we're being faced with it once again, year after year. Different measures are taken. Tell us more about what the Supreme Court said today.
Gargi, the Supreme Court has constituted an one-man committee under retired Justice Madan B. Lokar to monitor and also to tackle, to monitor and also to supervise steps that have been taken to tackle stubble burning and also pollution in the National Capital Region. In fact, this particular order of the Supreme Court has come in a petition after the Supreme Court hearing all the three states, including Haryana, Punjab and also the Uttar Pradesh and also the Pollution Control Board. The Supreme Court has constituted this one-man commission. In fact, this particular one-man commission will be monitoring, will be supervising the steps that are being taken by all the three states and also the central government in order to prevent stubble burning in the neighboring states of the National Capital Region. In fact, the Supreme Court, while passing this particular order, had also said that they are not finding fault in any of the steps taken by any of the three states and also the center in order to curb pollution in the National Capital Region, but in order to devise a mechanism, in order to devise an effective mechanism to curb pollution and also to prevent stubble burning that is contributing as a major factor for the pollution in the National Capital Region, the Supreme Court has come up with such an order. They have appointed the retired Supreme Court Judge Justice Madan B. Lokar as an one-man commission, and they have also asked all the three neighboring states, including Punjab, Haryana and also Uttar Pradesh, to provide all assistance, including the secretarial assistance and also other transport assistance for the commission in order to do their job. In fact, the Supreme Court has also said that they have also asked student bodies like NSS, NCC, National Cadet Corps and also NSS and also Bharat Scouts and Guides also to assist this particular one-man commission. So this particular one-man commission led by retired Supreme Court Judge Justice Madan B. Lokar will be travelling to all the three states, and then they would be supervising, they would be monitoring the steps being taken by all the neighboring states to prevent stubble burning in the state. In fact, at the end of the flag end of the hearing, after Supreme Court passed this particular order, Central Government Solicitor General appearing for the Central Government, Tushar Mehta, he made a submission before the Chief Justice bench saying that they have reservation in appointing Madan B. Lokar as a one-man commission. They said that they will be filing an application before the Supreme Court and they want the Supreme Court to be heard, after which the Supreme Court can pass necessary orders. So, but Supreme Court declining that particular request of the central government, they have said that they have appointed Madan B. Lokar as a one-man commission, and that particular one-man commission will be monitoring, will be supervising the steps taken by all the neighboring states and also the central government in order to prevent stubble burning, which contributes as a major factor.